This could mean only one thing. Insulation. Thinsulate CRC adhesive spray. Okay, so we went ahead and we taped up all the windows, the max air fan, and the air conditioner, so that when we spray the adhesive it won't get all over everything that we just did. All right. Okay, so we have a little makeshift fabric store cutting table situation here. So I have some folding tables that I put out, and then I put this one lengthwise so that the fabric, when I cut it, I can be in the slot, and then that way it makes it real easy to slice down the insulation. And then over here we have Robert in the hot van putting up the Thinsulate. So I've cut him some 2 foot 2 inch pieces of the Thinsulate, and he's cutting it to size and spraying it into, putting the spray foam on, and then putting it into the van.
Okay, so we pretty much finished putting Thinsulate on the walls and on the ceiling. We still have to do channels, but I'm going to run electrical wire and all that before we do that, and down through these, over through the roof. You can really tell the difference in the sound in here. It's a lot less boomy. To put these up, basically you just spray it with the adhesive. Spray it with your adhesive. The recommended one is 3M90, but we couldn't find that, and they don't even sell it in California, I guess. So this is from Harbor Freight. It's a CRC spray adhesive. So yeah, just spray it. Give it like 5 minutes. Spray both sides. Give it 5 minutes, and then just push it up, and it tacks up really easy.
Not both sides, but the metal and then the...
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
I did stick a piece up behind here. I used this tool, which is on Amazon. It basically just slips in there and then allows you to pop those pins out. I did have a couple of them break, so I relocated some that I used when I tore off the corner here. We did the doors. So here's inside the slider. So full panel, this one's just sitting in here. It's not actually glued. This one is glued. These are just sitting in here. Just be careful of the mechanisms, because you don't want it to interfere with the movement of stuff. And if there's a latch back here, typically I'll put a little bit of adhesive around the latch to keep the Thinsulate from moving into it. This one is just pressure fit in there. And then in the back doors, again, just make sure that things that are supposed to move can still move. These are just placed in there. Here's a latch up here, and you can see right here where I had put the adhesive around it so that nothing will move into that latch. Same here. Just filled this cavity. Basically most of this stuff is just placed in here and then only tacked when it's near something. These are tacked with glue. That's just placed, and did them on both sides. Pretty easy, not too complicated. We used 2 300-foot rolls, and we still have some left over. So probably what we're going to do is make some window shades for the front windshield. We'll also put Reflectix in there to give it further insulative value. I've heard that these fans, when you mount them up close like this, they can be really noisy when you're driving down the road. So we may make another shroud, one that just goes up there and sticks to deaden the noise when we're driving. And you would take it off if you want to use it.